We're here in Milwaukee at this parking garage.
Please pay here before returning to your vehicle. Please pay here before returning to your vehicle.
Something modernized. Looks like a Schumacher mod. Not sure who installed this.
Eighth floor, rear.
There's the outside of the garage. We'll go back down to 2. It's got California code PTL buttons. I wonder what this was before.
Second floor, rear.
This place looks pretty old, so it's probably was something pretty old. Obviously. That's all.